Yo, what's going on? We've got a bit of a different video today. Lending my friend's shed to restore a surfboard that has had a hard life. So he wants it painted black, but obviously when he did it, it didn't come out quite like he wanted. So I'm gonna see if I can make it a bit better for him. So this is the board. It's a Lost Mayhem board. I don't know much about it, but I know that it had a repair at some point there, and there it's got a crease along here. Same with here, you can see it better there, look. But it's been repaired a few times, but he wants it all painted black, so let's see what we can do. Gonna be hitting it with the 240. Give it a quick once over before I hit it up with the orbital sander with the 320 on. Give that a bit of love, and then it should be ready to paint. It doesn't have to be anything special because it is an old board. Now the fin boxes are done, so let's get it. So storage was full on my phone, but we've now got a lacquer this bad boy. I've cleaned up the fin boxes, covered the holes again, so it's ready. And here it is, the finished board. Got the heater on, keeping that bad boy up, keeping it nice and warm. That's pretty much it. Hopefully Ash likes it, and see you in the next one. Yo!